Howdy everyone, Josh here. Today I'm at the George H.W. Bush Presidential Library and Museum here in College Station, Texas, where the Union Pacific 4141 has reached its final destination. The engine arrived here only days ago. You can see that it is still wearing its protective cover from the transportation. It will most likely retain this cover until its official unveiling. The library hopes to have these grounds completed by 2024. 2024 will mark George H.W. Bush's 100th birthday. A Marine One helicopter will also be placed next to the engine. Here you can see the proximity of the engine to the library itself. It is definitely going to be a showpiece. This is what the engine looked like when it was helping the big boy on its journey. This is a quick clip I had from Navasota when the engine was stopped here. Here's another clip from when Union Pacific 4141 led George H.W. Bush's funeral train to his final resting place at the Presidential Library in College Station, Texas. This is the main entrance to the Presidential Library and Museum. Even from all the way across the plaza, the engine will definitely draw your attention. The grounds also has a statue commemorating the fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989. The statue is in the plaza on the other side of the library from the engine. Unfortunately, I was not able to come into town to witness the actual move itself, but this is one of the trucks that helped. These are the beams that actually moved the engine to its final destination on the tracks in front of the library. I hope everyone has enjoyed this brief tour of the engine and library grounds. Thank you for watching.